Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove sources from your notebooks in NotebookLM. So here we see 3 of the 10 sources that were discovered that are sort of highlighted with a little exclamation point. It's actually an I for information, but it's kind of a warning. Whatever this was, it wasn't able to reach that website, and that's the same for all 3 of these sources. So if it can't reach the website, I'm not going to include it as a source. So I'm just going to click on this little 3-dot menu and remove the source, confirm. And I'm just going to do that for the others as well, since none of those will be worth my while either. And I can just remove those from my notebook. And now, the way the chatbot works, if it can't reach the website, it's not going to get any information from there if I engage with the chatbot. So there's really no point in having it in there. There's no point in wasting 3 source slots out of the 300 for something it's never going to access. So, if I need to, I can just fill those with something else. If I get close to 300, I'll be really glad that I did that. But if something isn't working properly, or it's not a good source for what you are trying to accomplish with the notebook, what you want the topic to be, you can just get rid of it, remove it. It won't be any of your concern after that. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.